Yeah, sometimes I, oh, shoot. Ah, big alligator right there. 8 foot or over is big, right? Oh, look at that swimming area right next to the alligators. I'm convinced that's a great place to go swimming. Look at that. And kayaking. One lady says it's not that big, but I kind of feel like it was. Well, maybe it's because I was right next to it also. Could have something to do with it. Look at all these weeds. It is refreshing to swim in here, but I usually try and do it where there's no weeds. A lot of weeds.